Want a free custom calendar for your site without paying for design tools? I'll show you exactly how to generate one in Namecheap. First, head to Namecheap's website. Then we'll navigate to the font generator and customize your calendar step by step. All right, let's jump right in. Start by going to Namecheap's main website. Just type in the standard URL and you'll land on their homepage. Now, this is a platform most people know for buying domains, but here's the thing. They've quietly packed it with some really useful free tools.
And that's exactly what we're about to tap into. So once you're on the homepage, look up at the top navigation bar and click on the tab that says Apps. It's usually right next to Domains. This opens up their whole suite of tools. And honestly, this is where the hidden gems live. Most users never scroll past the domain search, so you're already ahead of the curve just by being here. Now you'll see a grid of different app options. Go ahead and click where it says View More.
This expands the list so we can see everything they offer. You'll notice a lot of handy utilities, logo makers, QR code generators, things like that. But we're looking for something specific. Click on the option that says Create Fancy Fonts Text for free and use it in social media posts, bios, messages. That's a bit of a mouthful, I know, but this is Namecheap's font generator. It's designed to help you stylize text, but it also has a calendar feature baked right in, and that's our ticket. Once the font generator page loads, you'll see a text box where you can type anything. For a calendar, you actually don't need to type anything special here. Just click on the button that says Copy and Paste. This might seem like a small step, but it's what activates the calendar tool in the background. Give it just a second to process. Now, look for the section that says 5 Variations. Click on that. This is going to show you a few different calendar layouts to choose from. Each one has a slightly different style, so take a quick look and see which one catches your eye. For this walkthrough, we'll just pick the first one. All right, now we're getting into the customization. You'll see a set of numbers pop up. Click on the number 19. That sets your starting date. So if you're building a calendar for the 19th of the month, this is where you dial it in. It's that straightforward. Next, click on June. This selects the month. And just like that, the calendar generates around your chosen date. You're seeing it come together in real time now, and it looks pretty clean, right? Now, here's where you can add some visual flair. Click on the Highlight option. This will emphasize the date you've selected, making it stand out from the rest of the grid. It's a small touch, but it makes the calendar feel purposeful and designed. But let's say you want to start over and try a different look. No problem at all. Just click the Reset button. This clears your current customization and brings you back to a blank slate. It's instant, so you can experiment freely without any commitment. Once you're reset, go ahead and click on Highlight again. But this time, notice how the tool gives you options for colors or styles. You can choose a different accent or shade to really personalize it. Maybe a soft blue for a calming vibe, or a bold red if you want it to pop. Play around with it until it feels right. And that's it. You've just built a custom calendar completely for free using Namecheap's hidden tools. No design software, no paid templates, nothing fancy. Just a few clicks and you're done. You can screenshot it for social media, embed it on a site, whatever you need. So next time someone tells you free tools don't have real power, you'll know better.